This week we are back with a remarkable video for the people who are currently looking for the finest vlogging camera right now. After doing a tremendous amount of research, we have tried to provide every necessary information which you might need for finding the best vlogging camera according to your needs. Whether you aim to get YouTube's glory or you like shooting for entertainment purposes, getting the best vlogging tools is all you need. However, it is hard for some individuals to find the desired camera that is capable of fulfilling all of their needs, although they are ready to spend a lot of fortune on it. In this video, we have mentioned one of the best vlogging cameras in the market to relieve you from this problem. Before we start the video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, as we have done a lot of research to bring the best for you guys. So let's begin. The fifth and last camera we have on our list is Sony ZV-1 point and shoot camera. With its RX100 series, Sony has found its place among the content creators. The newly introduced Sony ZV-1 is the finest addition to this series. By looking at its specifications and design language, one can easily judge that it is one of the finest pieces of equipment ever created for content creators and YouTubers. The pocket-sized camera is specifically designated for vloggers since it has remarkable video features. It is equipped with a 20-megapixel 1-inch type BSI stacked CMOS sensor and 24-70mm equivalent f/1.8 to 2.8 lens, due to which it can easily perform superb video recording with quality up to Ultra HD 4K 30. This camera also offers the ability to record slow-motion videos at 240 and 120 FPS at 1080p. The presence of the flip-out LCD screen enables you to see yourself while shooting, which I like the most. 3-directional capsule mic and built-in microphone are also there to capture excellent quality sound. Furthermore, the additional features of this video camera include face priority metering, background defocus, and a product showcase setting. Because of these features, it is very useful for product review videos and walk and talk vlogs. The presence of the bright lens and big image sensor has enabled it to perform excellently even in low light conditions. It also offers solid hand grip and mics, due to which it is very well suited for selfies. Soft skin and picture effects add more beauty to the captured photographs. This camera is also being considered as the best for still photography. The only downside of this device are limited touchscreen controls and medium video stabilization. It is also not an ideal device to be used in challenging weather conditions. According to my point of view, there is nothing better Sony could have done for making this camera more appealing for the content creators. It is offering much better things as compared to its competitors, such as Canon's M50. The fourth camera we have on our list is Sony Alpha A6600. I know what you're thinking after seeing another Sony camera on this list, but believe me, this is worth it. Even though it is more expensive, Sony Alpha A6600 is offering much better features as compared to that of Sony ZV-1. The matter of fact is that it is one of the finest cameras which you can get for vlogging in this price segment. It is mainly targeting professional photographers who want to get stunning results. It is equipped with the Beyond X processor and 24.4-megapixel Exmor APS-C sensor, which allows us to shoot 4K at 30fp with the support of S-Log2 and S-Log3 profiles, as well as hybrid log gamma HDR. However, the most surprising and appealing feature is the real-time IAF. Sony's artificial intelligence-based autofocus means we can expect the best possible accuracy while tracking your face and eyes. Honestly, this standout feature of this camera has made me include it in the list. The design language of the Sony Alpha A6600 is very appealing, as well as its build quality is quite remarkable too. I have to say that this camera is filled with plenty of high-end features. It provides a high-capacity battery, stunning image quality, and a fascinating 4K HDR video recording. You are getting the best battery. The only downside of this camera is that its menu is way too much complicated. Even I was facing some problems at the start. Anyhow, I do not believe that it would be too problematic for professional vloggers. The third camera we have on our list is Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. The PowerShot G7X series are being used and recommended by some very famous YouTubers and vloggers like Case Neistat and Fun4Lewis. It is being appreciated a lot since it has been introduced with almost unrivaled image stabilization and a 4K sensor. It is not offering as advanced features as the Sony ZV-1, still it has managed to grasp attention in its price segment. It can be said about this camera that it is a great addition in the already well-recognized Canon's G7X series. It is equipped with a large 1-inch sensor, 20.1 megapixel, and a fine 3-inch touch panel LCD screen. The maximum obtained video resolution is 4K 30 FPS. As compared to its predecessors, it also does offer a 3.5mm mic input. However, the noticeable thing is that it provides YouTube live streaming support just right out of the box, which we hardly see in its price segment. This camera gets aligned with your hand movement, which makes it handy even on tough roads. This camera is comfortably compact, due to which you can easily place it in your pocket. It provides a 30 FPS raw burst mode and quick autofocus, which are quite lovable features. The limitations of this camera are no hot shoe for the mic and slightly outdated AF. I do believe that this camera would prove an excellent choice for the YouTubers. The second camera we have on our list is GoPro Hero 8 Black Action Cam. The Hero 8 Black's image quality, features, specialization, and affordability has made it quite popular among vloggers, YouTubers, and content creators. Honestly, I have not found its design language as much attractive, but its feature set is quite appalling. The redesigned waterproof body is also something which we should appreciate. There are several astonishing features of the Hero 8 Black which are quite attractive for the vloggers specifically. It uses HyperSmooth, which is the latest version of this company's incredible electronic image stabilization. This is the best image stabilization right now. Because of the HyperSmooth, the obtained footage recording would be quite smooth. A large number of shooting options, comfy image stabilization, customizable interface, and streamlined design are all the most likable features of this camera. The only drawback of this camera is that it does not perform too well in low light conditions. However, in this price segment, you have to make a compromise somehow. I think this camera is equally likable for beginners and professionals who want to obtain the best videographing experience in this price segment. This camera has revolutionized the action camera world. The first and last camera we have on our list is Sony Alpha A7 III. It is the third Sony camera on this list, but literally there are massive high-end specifications of the Sony Alpha A7 III is the best camera right now. It is offering so many a significant amount of features which are so hard to remember. I'd probably miss either one of them. Some of the well-recognized features of this camera are 10 FPS burst photo shooting, full-frame image sensor, a whopping 693-point autofocus system, 5-axis image stabilization, and uncropped 4K video. It is equipped with the full-frame CMOS sensor and an interchangeable lens having 24 megapixel resolution. The max obtainable video resolution is 4K at 24 FPS, which is just mind-blowing. Furthermore, the camera is also equipped with a 3-inch tilting touchscreen OLED, dual SD card slots, a microphone jack, Sony's flat S-Log color profile, and an electronic viewfinder. Sony's remarkable real-time eye autofocus technology is also adding a significant impact. I would say that the Alpha A7 III is offering everything which a vlogger might need, whether it is the ease of operation, high-speed response, or other advanced imaging innovations. This is the most expensive camera which I have mentioned in this price range. But the professionals who want to try the next level of photography should use this camera. They would definitely love it. I hope you now have a clearer idea of what to see and buy while purchasing the best camera for vlogging. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as it encourages us to make more informational videos for you guys. Have a good day.